Hello. So let us begin this class. In this class, we'll be discussing about the functions which we can use from a C-type header. So first of all, we'll see what are the functions which are available in C-type header. I'll explain those functions, and then we'll see some of those functions, how we can use those functions in the program. So I'll share this screen. Uh, and in the screen you can see. Okay, so as you can see, the functions in C type are uh, is num function. There is a is num function which checks whether the character is alphanumeric or not. It is AL and UM. AL for alphabet and UM for number. So if this function returns 0 if the passed argument is a non-alphanumeric character. It returns non-zero value if the passed argument is alphanumeric character. Similarly, there is alpha function, there is digit function. Each of these function requires an argument. Like here, ch is the argument which has to be passed. Ch is a character type, and this character type variable will be checked whether it is a digit or not, it is alphabet or not. So is alpha will check only whether the character is alphabet or not. Is digit will check whether the character is a digit or not. Is alphanumeric will check whether the character is alphanumeric or not. Similarly, we have is lower, is upper. Is lower checks whether the character is a lower case or not. Ch. It returns 0 if the passed argument is not a lowercase alphabet. 0 is assumed to be false if it is used in condition, and if the function returns 0, it means the condition will become false. We'll see this in the program. Similarly, we have is punct, which checks whether the character is a punctuation or not. Is a space, whether it is a space or not. Is upper, is hexadecimal digit, 2 lower and 2 upper. 2 lower and 2 upper will convert the character to lowercase if it is an upper case alphabet, and 2 upper will convert the lowercase alphabet to uppercase alphabet. It returns uppercase alphabet of the corresponding lowercase alphabet. So let us check the programs. Let us see how these programs can be used. So I'll be opening developer C++, and let us open any program which is there, and then we'll modify it accordingly. I am opening the last function which we have discussed. So here we are discussing C-type header functions. If is alpha, ch, yes, else see out, no, it's not an app. Okay, I'll explain this function in detail, and then similarly we can run the remaining functions. This is alpha function. It is taking ch as an argument. If the value of ch is an alphabet, the condition will become true because it returns 1. And if the character has the value which is not alphabet, anything other than 0 to z, it will print no, it is not an alphabet, because the condition will become false. So let me save this program first. Let us save this program. We'll do some modifications here only. Okay, let me compile now. It is compiling. Meanwhile, okay, it has compiled. Let us run. Yes, it is an alphabet. Okay, so let us keep this output screen also here, and let us open the declaration. What we have discussed is this is alpha. This is function number 2 in the list, is alpha. This function identifies the alphabets from other characters, whether it is alphabet or not. It returns 0. 0 means condition will be false if the passed argument is not an alphabet. If it is not an alphabet, it returns 0, means the condition will be false. It returns non-zero, any other value, if the passed argument is an alphabet. So here in this program, you can see passed argument is an alphabet. So the condition will be true and it will print, yes, it is an alphabet. Now we'll modify this program. We'll not fix the value. Let us ask the user, hey, enter any alphabet. We'll ask the user to enter any alphabet and check whether the user inputs alphabet or not. Now we'll save this program. Since the program is running, we'll stop, compile the program. Now we'll run the program. Hey, enter any alphabet. Suppose I enter F. Yes, it is an alphabet. Okay, I'll run this program again. Let me run the program. I enter 5. No, it is not an alphabet. So this is how the function is alpha works. It takes a character as an input and returns 0 or non-zero value. 0 is assumed to be a false case and any numeric value other than 0 is assumed to be a true case. So it returns, it can be used in this way. I hope you are understanding this. Now let me use some another program. Save as is alphanumeric. Suppose is alphanumeric. ALN. You can see here, this is the first function, alphanumeric. So what we are doing, we are using alphanumeric. Yes, it is an alphabet. No, it is not an alphabet. So alphabet or a number. No, it is not an alphabet. Now we'll save this. We'll run this program. Let us change the message also, alphabet or number. The input should be alphabet or number, otherwise it will be false. Suppose I enter H. Yes, it is alphabet or number. Okay, again I run the program. I enter 7. Yes, it is alphabet or number. I run the program again. I enter plus. No, it is not an alphabet or a number. So in this way, this program works. Again, let me save this. We'll try some more functions. Suppose we have to check only number. The first program we checked about alphabet. The second program is about alphabet or number. Now, suppose we have to check only number. Hey, enter any number. Yes, it is a no, it is not a number. We have another function is digit. Let us save this first. Now come here. You can see function number 3 is digit. This function identifies numbers in character. Okay. So let us compile this. Is digit was okay. There is a spelling mistake. Let us save this again. Let's compile. It is done. Let me run the program. I enter 7. It is a number. Okay. I enter J. No, it is not a number. So this function accepts a digit to be true, and any other input which is not a digit will be false. So we have is digit function to check whether the input value is a digit or not. Now we'll see one more function. Let us save this. Then we have to upper. Enter any lower case alphabet. The input will go to CH. We have another variable UP is equals to 2 upper CH. Uppercase. Let us save this. Let us compile this. Now let us run this program. Enter any lowercase alphabet. I enter J in lowercase, it means an uppercase. I run again. I enter small a, hence upper A. So to upper function takes as input any lowercase alphabet and converts it into an uppercase. We have to use another variable to store the uppercase value. So this function returns an equivalent uppercase character. Similarly, we have to lower, which takes a lowercase an uppercase alphabet as input and converts it into lowercase. This is converting into uppercase from a lowercase. Now in this program, let us run once more. Suppose I enter 9. So it will not convert because 9 does not have any uppercase equivalent. So it should check and give message whether the input value is a lowercase or not, because it will not convert it. So we'll first check if is lower. We have is lower function which checks whether the input value is a lowercase value or not. If it is in lowercase, then this will convert to uppercase and it will print the result. Otherwise, it will give a message not a lowercase alphabet. Not a lowercase alphabet. Let us save this. Okay, so what we are doing, we are accepting a lowercase alphabet, and first we are checking whether the user has properly made a lowercase alphabet as an input or not. If it is in lowercase, if the value of ch is in lowercase, then only it will convert to uppercase and print. Otherwise, it will go to the else part and print it is not a lowercase alphabet. Let us compile. In this function we are using, in this program rather, we are using two functions, is lower and then to upper. Suppose I enter small a, it prints uppercase A. Okay, I enter capital A, this is not a lowercase alphabet. I enter a number, this is not a lowercase alphabet. So in this program we have used two functions, is lower and to upper. Is lower is in line number 17 and to upper is in line number 19. In the list we can see we have functions. These three functions we have already discussed. See, we have is lower function. Is lower will check whether the function the input value is in lowercase or not. And then we have to upper. To upper, this checks whether it is in upper. It converts a lowercase to uppercase. So this is how we can use some of the available functions in the C-type header. I hope you enjoyed this, you liked this, and please try to understand. I'll share the list in the comment, and you can download all those functions. Try to implement the remaining functions yourself, because we have discussed with they are in the list, there are about 10 functions. We have discussed 5, others are similar, so we have not discussed them. I hope you'll like it, you'll understand it. Thank you very much.